Hi guys, I got some Happy Meal from Cathy Sofa Beta. I do not think that I was saying your last name right, but thank you so much. I'm horrible with names, but thank you for this beautiful package. It has a palm tree and sunglasses and this beautiful flower, so I just had to show you that. It's so cool. And then there's also some more, so isn't that great? Relax at the beach. Cathy, I wish I lived near a beach. You make me want to go to the beach. And then there's chips and little flip flops. This is so cute. How fun! So I'm gonna open this baby up. And thank you so much for the Happy Meal. You are so awesome. It's a lovely surprise today. Very good. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out all this lovely stuff. Oh my gosh! And I can already tell, great stuff. Thank you, Cathy. Very cool. Alrighty, where shall we start? Maybe let's see if there is a card first. Oh, wonderful. Oh, look at these. Aren't these adorable? Oh my gosh, they're little bunny rabbit rulers. Oh, these are adorable. I will totally use these. This is awesome. Thank you. Oh, these are so cute. And I love how they're see-through because sometimes I'll be measuring something and I need to actually see where the line is or something, especially for cards, so this will be very helpful for that. Those are so cute. Oh my gosh, they're adorable. Ooh, and a metallic marker. I love these. These are awesome. Thank you. And silver. I don't have a silver, so it's going to be fun. And I love these. These are so awesome. You can use them for so many different things, and they work fabulously. They're one of my favorites. Ooh, and look, from Puerto Rico. Nice. Oh, this is great. Sangria. I love sangria. I usually make it for other people. I'm not much of a drinker, but I do like sangria. I will have a glass of that. Yummy. Wow. Fun. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I have to put it on my key ring. Adorable. Thank you, Cathy. Ooh, and then duck washi. I have not had any of this. I've seen people using it, and I look at it at the store, and then I never buy it because I'm like, oh, it's like I think it's like $2.50 here in the States, maybe $3, so I always put it back. But it looks like fun, and Duck brand they make great products. Very fun. So in beautiful, happy colors that remind me of the beach. How fun. Oh my goodness, and look at these. They're happy birthday kind of labels. Oh, these will make great cards. Oh, these are adorable. Oh my gosh, Cathy, these are so cute. Oh, and look at the little kids. I love that kind of illustration, the simple kind of faces. It always makes me happy when I see that. Ooh, and these are beautiful frames. Wow, nice. Oh, friends forever. Isn't that cute? Oh, these are adorable. How fun. I'm going to have fun using those. And then this is Let's Celebrate. To eat cake and celebrate. Isn't that the truth? It's like a little shaker card. That's so cute. I love to eat cake. Good cake, of course. Definitely, that's always a celebration with cake. Oh my goodness. Eat cake and celebrate. That is so cute. Shake, shake, shake. You thought of a clever way to make shaker cards. I love that. That's adorable. Very cute. Oh, they're so adorable. Oh, and look, I got another one. Another one of those rulers. I'll have to share one with my nephew. He'll get a kick out of that. Oh my goodness. And then this says smiles. Let's see what's in here. Oh, and look at this little frame. I love you. That is so cute. And it's a magnet. And you can change it out. Oh, this is so cute. This is really adorable. I love it. That is adorable. How cute is that? And this says smiles. Simply spring. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a little folder full of little goodies. Look at all these beautiful flowers. It's so pretty. I love this. And what a cute little folder to house all your goodies. And there's little tags and labels. That's really cute. I'll have to put that in my planner. And the tags are just gorgeous. How fun. memories. This is beautiful. Thank you. So sweet and unbelievably thoughtful. And thank you so much. Love all these little goodies. I can't wait to use them. Ooh, and this one. How fun. Oh, there's more goodies. This is really cool. It's so soft. Makes me happy. I always have a notebook in my purse. So this is going in my purse because my other one ran out. But I love to take notes and stuff. I'm kind of a note person. To-do list, everything, random thoughts and ideas. So I always have a little notebook. This is wonderful. Look at that. It has the date on it. And I love that it's all fuzzy and soft. Very nice. Wow, cool. Oh my gosh. It's a part of Winnie the Pooh. How cute. My little nephew, my new little nephew, the one that I showed you guys a quick picture of, he loves, we found these like little set of like board books, and they're all about Winnie the Pooh, and he loves Igor and how he doesn't have a tail. It's called Tell is the name of the little book, and I read it to him every day, and he loves it. He thinks it's the cool thing, and he's so smart, right? So I tell him, where's Igor's tail? Like, what happened to his tail? And he'll turn to the front of the page, and then he'll point to the tail and tell me it's right there. He's already figured it out, but it's so cute. He's adorable. So this makes me happy. I'm going to have to put this in his memory book with a little note about that. That is very special. Oh, and look at the cupcake. Very nice. Oh, and look at the tags. I hope I'm saying his name right. I can't say anybody's name right. Cartoons, humans, no one. I'm terrible at names, so excuse me if I said it wrong. Look at that beautiful butterfly. These are gorgeous. Thank you, Cathy. You totally made my day in more beautiful tags. This is a fabulous Happy Mail. So this is going in my purse. This is going on my keys. This is going in my washi little container here. I'm going to put it here. Going right in there. Thank you. Wonderful. And all these other goodies I'm going to use in some really fun projects. So thank you so much. And these metallic pins, like I told you, mine was totally running out. I think I threw it away this morning. So you'll definitely be seeing an appearance of these. I love to doodle with these. These are so fun to doodle with. You can make so many cool things. I love them. Very good. And they're so pretty and metallic-y. I love a good metallic pin. Permanent pin, paint pin, I love them all. Wow, very nice. So that is so fun. Dots. So many fun things you can do with these. So I can't wait to use them. And I've never had this silver one. So that's going to be fun. So thank you so much, Cathy. I'm so sorry if I slaughtered your name, but I really appreciate this wonderful Happy Meal, and you are unbelievably generous, and you totally made my day. I'm so excited with all of this stuff. I have to make some sangria. Look, it has a little picture. That is so cute. Very good. I love making all different kinds too. I always take them to parties. Yeah, like it's not really parties. Like they're more like people from my church getting together, and we like have dinner, and I make stuff. So it's fun, but it's really fun. So I can't wait to make a batch with this recipe. This is going to be fun. Very cool. Ooh, nice. Thank you so much, and I'll think of you every time I see that keychain and this beautiful little notebook to take notes in. So thank you, Cathy. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye, guys. I will see you next week. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and bye-bye. See you later.